everybody join in as they all do that.
Yes, we're doing some planting today, and we've decided to put these little cups to good use. It wasn't our idea, we did see it on the internet. So Elsie, do you want to put the seeds in the pot? We were lucky enough, weren't we, that the seeds came through the post. So just put some seeds in, and then you're going to get some compost, Elsie. That's enough. Get some compost. And I'll put them in. It's just another idea, just outside, but it ticks another box and it helps them understand the world, and we can talk about growth and change. That's it, pop them in. That's it, don't be scared. That's okay, push it down. And I do not profess to be the world's best gardener, but we're just going to have a little go and then put a little bit of water on, Elsie. That's it. And stop. So there you are. Happy gardening, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.